Hey friends, if you wish to download the Realtek console for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. You'll have to search for it in the browser and then you can go to the Realtek audio console. Okay, do one thing, just search for it on Google. Don't search for it on Bing. Search for Realtek audio console. Go to the Realtek website, not the Dell website, but the Realtek one, and then download the latest version. Click on I accept through the above. Click on download this file. You will have to enter this captcha. Click on submit, and then you can save it. This is a zip file. Okay, it will need a while to download and save. It will be very slow. Once it's done, just extract the file and you will be able to install the Realtek audio console. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.